Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use a template in DocuSign. It's very easy, and I would say that DocuSign is really easy to use overall. So, how to use the templates that you already created. In the previous video, I created a template on top of your corner where we already uploaded it. We can edit it and change the name, for example, not like this, but yeah, let's go and template tutorial. We save it. So we have this template tutorial and we see that we already have the template, but how to use it? We want to go back and then, for example, we want to start a new document. We hit start now. And if you drag and dropped your documents into this field and actually didn't click on this upload menu, you have the use template option. Not just uploading straight from desktop, but using a template that you already uploaded. And once you click on use a template, there is a template tutorial that we already created, and we click on add selected. What's gonna happen next is basically the exact same steps that we used before. We can go with I'm the only signer and click on sign. Once you click on sign, you'll be straight away sent to this DocuSign option. Yada yada yada. Other actions. Yeah, we just pick a signature. We place it here. We can now pick everything that you probably already know how to do. Yeah, and that's about it. That's how you use the template. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.